Here's how to delete your TikTok account. So go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to tap on the three lines in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Then after, select Deactivate or Delete Account from the bottom. You have two different options, either to deactivate account, which is temporary and you can reactivate again whenever you like, but deleting your account is permanent and it will be deleted within 30 days of time. But if you choose to reactivate your account before 30 days, the account deletion will be cancelled. But in the case if you want to really delete your account, select Delete Account Permanently. Select the reason, tap on Continue from the bottom. And if you want to request your data, tap on Request Download and follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, select Continue. Either enter the correct password of your account, and if the password is not set, TikTok will send a code to the email address that is associated with your account. This way, your account will be deleted within 30 days of period. But if you want to reactivate it, you can go ahead and type in your username and password in your TikTok application, then log into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.